Hi, my name's Connie.
My name is George.
My name is Mike.
We live in Cyprus.
And you're watching
FunForLouis.
Good morning guys, it's a lovely day in Chicago and we've just jumped in an Uber. We're heading to the Wallace Tower, which is the tallest building, I think, in Chicago. How are you guys doing?
Good. Tresbon, merci.
You had the best sleep.
Oh, the best.
Yeah, it's next level. It was like an oasis.
feet in the Empire State Building in New York. And now we're here, 103 stories up. Welcome to the top.
So we've reached the top and it is a phenomenal view from here, guys. Apparently on a clear day you can see 50 miles. And we're looking out to Lake Michigan on this side, and then like skyscrapers in the city, and then off into the suburbs. It's epic. Found this little glass box you can walk out onto and look down onto the street below. Glass does not look very thick, guys. Check this out. Oh, that is cool. That is really cool. Decent.
Everybody jump on 3. 1, 2, 3. I told you. I wouldn't want to go on that neck.
How did you find that, Nick?
That was epic. I freaking hate that feeling. I get the heebie-jeebies when I stand up. You stand there and the further away you get, you're just like...
Yeah.
Anyway, covered?
We were jumping on it as well. I don't think the other people were too happy about that. We're going to take the stairs down, guys.
Look up, everybody look up and wave to yourself.
Alright.
So Nick and Ange are heading off to get some snacks for the train journey, and then we're going to meet them at the station. So Ben's saying his goodbyes now.
Don't make it a thing.
Are you going to miss Ben? Right, let's roll. Union Station. Thank you so much, Pauline. Bye.
See you later.
Guys, I think we only just made it. Oh, we're running to the train now with all our stuff. Let's see. Right, Ben's off. It's been a pleasure, bro. It's been awesome having you on the road trip. Yeah.
I'll see you in Cape Town.
Yeah, let's do it. And if you guys want to keep up to date with Ben's adventures, go and subscribe to his channel. Where are you going next?
I'm going to Toronto, and then I'm going to London and Cape Town.
Boom.
You're going to be in Cape Town and we're going to do a sick road trip.
Yeah. Get ready for that road trip in Cape Town. It's going to be sick. Right, let's get on the train. Train carriage, and we've got Raya as a stowaway up there, and the guy didn't see her. She was hiding under the covers, so he could get very angry if he catches us. But me and Will got this cool little spot down here. Check this out. Got our own little table, got a nice view of the countryside. Okay, I'm going to give you a little tour of our carriage, show you around. So look down here, it's a nice little corridor. Here's a carrot. Oh, look who it is. Look at this nutter. Wait, how cool, how cozy is this?
Oh, so good.
And then these beds fold down. And then what snacks have you got for the journey?
No, I'll pack you guys the bag.
No, you can have that. Bananas? I'll just eat all the bananas.
We've got salads and stuff as well.
How many hours have we got?
I don't know.
20 hours.
20 hours.
Yeah. All our meals are included, which we didn't know. Hence these.
That's good news. We've arrived at Naperville. Hey, that is awesome. Oh. Is this just the chill lounge for us to chill in?
Yeah.
There are some crazy Amish people.
Not crazy Amish people.
They're not crazy.
Full on Amish people.
They're full on, like very different to our way of life, I imagine.
I would love to have a conversation.
Yeah, we want to try and chat to them. Can Amish people like have computers and internet and phones and stuff? Does anyone know? Does anyone know any Amish people? Any of you Amish? I'd love to know. I actually find it fascinating. It's like frozen like 200 years ago in the past. It's like a looking glass into history. This lounge area is so epic. There's windows everywhere, even like little skylights. Perfect photo opportunity. Did you get that photo, Will?
Got it. Got that.
Laptop club. Alright, cool, thank you.
Welcome.
Got some coffee. I've just jumped off the train to take a little break. A little rest stop for like 4 minutes apparently before we have to jump back on again. But it is just glorious. The weather is amazing, guys. Golden hour. This is the Mississippi River. Mississippi?
Oh my god, Jesus.
Mississippi.
I need to take on my phone the next hour.
Oh, I need to get some more cameras out though. Yes, Snapchat. Oh, hello America. America!
The best picture I got. I had it done.
Nick's just having a cool chat with this Amish kid, and we're just learning a lot about the Amish community.
Did you guys use money and stuff to get paid? Okay, so you pay with money and US dollar? Like a United States dollar? Yeah.
Just showing him my New Zealand parachute jumping.
Oh wow! Oh. Look at that! That's great to display. That's great. Did you use the video? Oh my god! His reaction is priceless, right? If they want to get in trouble.
Well, it's dinner time now. We've got a table reserved somewhere. Oh. Here we go. Oh, look at this! Got little bowls of salad. What do you think of our dinner, Will?
I'm not stoked on the salad.
Food has arrived, chicken, rice, green beans, got a little side of mashed potato. It's a nice little meal. Little chocolate mousse for dessert. Alright. We have been having laptop club for the last few hours and we're still on the train. I think we've got like maybe 6 hours till we get to our station. And the clocks go back an hour as well because we're travelling west across America. But we're going to get some sleep now if we can. And we're going to wake up in Colorado. Night guys. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out, enjoy life, and live the adventure. Boom.